This is a really cool water tumbler. You can drink from it a couple ways. You can just pop out the straw, or if you have a warm drink, you can drink from it this way. Keeps things hot for a long time, keeps things cold for a long time. With the tumbler, you get a straw and then you get a cleaner for the straw. So it does come with 2 straws. It has this nice handle that comes out. This fits in a vehicle cup holder. You can drink from it this way, or you can drink from it this way. One thing I really like about this is it is really tall, but it will still fit in your cup holder. That makes things really nice. You can put it in your car and you don't have to worry about it shaking around or anything like that. I take this with me wherever I go. It's nice and easy to carry around. When I'm working in my hot workshop, it's nice to have a nice cool drink. Or when I'm just sitting down and relaxing in my backyard, it's just nice having a good water bottle to drink from. I have it at my desk and take it to work. This was sent to me so I could do this review. I really like it. For something you can put in your cup holder, it holds a lot of water. For me, the bigger, the better. This is good.